In my nails, I have a computer chip, which allows me to pay for things. I can use it as my Oyster card. I can use it to pay for drinks. The most rewarding thing about being a robotics engineer is the fact that it lets my creativity shine. No 2 days are the same for me. Sometimes I'm working on a humanoid robot, and other days I'm having meetings for my workshops. Making something from scratch is so fulfilling. The thing I love the most about robotics is machine vision. I just think it's amazing that you can give eyes to a robot. Like a robot can have eyes? How is that possible? How can it see and perceive the world as humans do? When I speak to people and they ask me, how did I get into robotics? How did I get into engineering? I always say, just having that passion and that curiosity is the first step. From a young age, I was always very tenacious. I was always trying to pull things apart, put it back together again. At the time, I didn't know that I was basically engineering. I'm going to do all I can to help people from underrepresented backgrounds, people who always wanted to get into STEM, but never thought that it was for them, whether that's because they were female, or maybe they're from a disadvantaged background, or there's financial limitations. I wanted to show that you can literally be an engineer anywhere. You can't be what you can't see. And for me, representation is everything. One of the most beautiful things about tech is that it allows you to dream, it allows you to imagine.